Okay, it is Wednesday. What time is it? 2 o'clock? And this 2:30. I'm going to give a little quick view of the great outdoors after the blizzard. Sorry for that much too close-up look at my face. My porch where I had to do that. And I don't know, this is so bright it's hard to see. But this is going out to the driveway. Here's my garage, where we left the garage door open too much and it snowed inside. Here's my stupid snowblower that doesn't work. And here's the driveway. Look at the size of this. That's like 4 feet tall. There's my neighbor Nick. And so you want to buy that house? Here you go. You can buy it. It's already shoveled, so no shoveling for you. There's my thing and street. And as you can see, it's still a mess. Snowplows came this morning, but they didn't do a real good job. So there it is. Post snowpocalypse. Snowpocalypse now. So there you go.